Hello yogis, and welcome to the YogaTX YouTube channel. It's great to have you here. My name is Jill Enticknap, the lead trainer and founder at Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio. And in today's practice, we are going to stay standing, and this is going to be a mobility and an opening standing sequence. It's going to be short and sweet. Let's get right into it. Let's start in our mountain pose. Maybe the big toes come to touch and the heels. Maybe there's some space between your feet. You're looking for the big toes to point straight forward to 12 o'clock in your body. Tuck your tailbone under, get tall from the tailbone through the crown of the head, and let's press our palms together at heart center. Take a moment to breathe and maybe even grip the toes into the floor. As you close down your eyes and focus on your breath, allowing yourself to arrive to your practice. Let's take a deep breath in and open mouth exhale, breathe it out. And again, deep breath in, open mouth exhale, breathe it out. One more deep breath in. Let's engage our Ujjayi breath here. Inhales and exhales through the nose, pressing the tongue against the roof of the mouth to create restriction in the back of the throat, creating this audible sound in the back of the throat. This breath is very good for our stamina, our endurance, and focusing our mind. So I encourage you to maintain this breath as we move through our practice. Let's let the hands come down by the side and just take a moment to turn and twist, letting the arms turn and twist with you. Starting to wake up the shoulders, wake up the hands and the wrists, also the torso. And come through center. Inhale, sweep the arms up overhead, and exhale as you forward fold, coming all the way down. Take a moment, let the head hang heavy. Have a gentle bend in the knees, releasing any tension from the neck. With that bend in the knees, use a little spring as you inhale, reach the arms all the way up, extended mountain. Swan dive all the way down, forward fold. Inhale all the way up, extended mountain. Swan dive down all the way, forward fold. One more inhale all the way up, and exhale all the way down. Come to a halfway lift, flat back. Keep a nice bend in the knees as you sink the hips back, lengthen the crown forward. Feel that stretch and engagement through your hamstrings. Inhale here. Exhale, fold forward. Let's heel toe the feet to hip width distance apart. Plant the right palm down in front of the face, bend into the right knee, straighten through the left leg, and reach the left hand high. Lifting your gaze, let's take that lifted hand for a wrap around to our opposite hip crease as you lift the gaze and peel the left shoulder back. Inhale, left hand high, replace it down on the mat, bend into the left knee, plant the left hand down, right hand reaches high, stacking the shoulders, lifting the gaze, and then take that wrap around, draw the shoulder back, deep breaths. Lift that right hand back up high and bring it down to the mat. Let's heel toe the feet wider, wider, wider. Bring your hands to your hips and rise to standing. Tee out your arms. Take the right hand down to the left foot. Inhale it through center. Left hand down to the right foot. Inhale it through center. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Cactus out your arms, pop your heels in, your toes out, and sink into your squat. Sink down low, engage your fingers. Let's take the right hand down and reach the left hand over. And back to that cactus, left hand down, right hand reaches. Come back to that cactus. Turn to the left. Inhale, center. Exhale, turn to the right. Inhale, center. Straighten out the legs. Parallel the left foot to the back side of your mat and take your right foot and point it straight forward for your warrior two. You want heel to arch alignment with the feet, the front knee stacked over the front ankle, the arms straight and strong, and the gaze forward. Let's take 2 deep breaths. Take the right elbow to the right knee and reach the left hand forward, creating length and space through your side body. Extended side angle. Use your core to lift it through center. Straighten that right leg. Parallel the right foot to the back side of the mat, switching to warrior two on the left side. Heel to arch alignment, knees stacked over the ankle, shoulders over the hips, arms are straight and strong, gazes forward, 2 deep breaths. Let's come into that extended side angle, left elbow, left knee, right hand reaches forward, create length through the side body, lifting with your gaze. And let's use the core to bring it back through center, parallel the feet, inhale, arms reach way up, star pose. And exhale, let's come into that wide leg forward fold. Walk your hands over to your right foot, bending into your right knee, popping your left toes high, side lunge. Take that right hand out to the right, reach the left hand up and back. Feel that opening, lift your gaze. And walk your hands over to the left side, bending into the left knee, popping the right toes high. Left hand reaches out, right hand reaches up and back. Find that side lunge. And let's walk the hands back through center. Find that wide leg forward fold. Hands to the hips, rise to standing. Let's bring the right foot to meet the left and find our mountain pose. Ground down into the left foot and hover the right heel. Flexing your toes to your face. I encourage you to press your palms together at heart center to really find that balance. Bend into the right knee, pressing through the left leg. You can stay right here or take that right hand to the inside edge of the right knee, draw it open, and cactus out the left arm. You may want to gaze toward that left hand. Find your balance, find your breath for 3, 2, and 1. Guide that right knee back through center, release that foot down, take a moment, walk it out. And let's ground down into the right foot. Left heel hovers, flexing your toes to your face. Really engage that standing leg. Bring the palms through heart center to press. Bend into the knee, keep that knee nice and flexed, toes flexed. You can stay right here or take the left hand to the inside edge of the left knee, guiding it out and cactusing out the right arm. You can stay right here or start to gaze toward the right hand for 3, 2, and 1. Bring it back through center, let that foot come down, take a moment, walk it out. Finding our mountain pose, rolling the palms forward, staying nice and tall. Inhale, arms come up overhead, palms touch. Exhale, let's bend to the right. Inhale, center. Exhale, let's bend to the left. Inhale, center. Let's send the left hand forward, right hand back for a twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, send the right hand forward, left hand back for a twist. Inhale, center, and exhale your palms back through heart center. Before we close out our practice, I'm going to offer a breath practice called balanced breath. And how it works is you take your fullest, deepest inhale in, counting on the way up. And whatever that count is, same count for your exhale on the way down. So if your inhale is a count of 6, your exhale is a count of 6. If your inhale is a count of 10, your exhale is a count of 10. Balancing out inhale and exhale. Know that each breath doesn't have to be the same count. And let's take 4 rounds of balanced breath. One more, count it up, and count it down. Bring your thumbs to the space between your brows. Take a bow forward, paying yourself a compliment for showing up on your mat. Know that you can come back to this practice at any time when you need some energy, you want to increase, you want to open through the hips. Thank you so much for being here with us on the YogaTX YouTube channel. Again, my name is Jill Enticknap, the lead trainer and founder of Yogi Institute, an online yoga school and studio. If you enjoyed this and you want more like this, please leave a comment, let us know. We want to create what you want. The light, the love, the wisdom in me sees, honors, reflects, and encourages the light, the love, the wisdom in you. Namaste. I hope to see you again on your mats very, very soon. And until then, may your light be your guide.